Good morning.
Come on.
Started day 8 of our fall 2025 road trip. We're leaving Yellowstone out through the Lamar Valley, where we finished up yesterday afternoon and saw Billy Bison sauntering down the middle of the road. We're going to head off to Cody, Wyoming. Just showing some of the beautiful sights there along the drive on out of Yellowstone. Here's Billy Bison again. Get over and stop. I'm not sure what he's going to want to do. I don't want to aggravate him. Oh, that's it. Just about touch him. Other people there were saying this is a grizzly. It's hard to tell. It's maxed out on my zoom and post-processing zoom, so kind of hard to tell, but I think it is a grizzly bear. Okay, so I'm not sure how things are going to go today. Definitely not going to go as planned. When we stopped earlier, trying to see what other people were looking at. Someone thought they saw a wolf. So I was trying to get over to where they were looking at and tripped over a rock and hurt my shoulder. So probably going to have to find urgent care when we get to Cody. I'm not sure if we're going to be able to stop too many places on the way. That's the way it is. He's going to cross in front of this car, I think. That's Pierce Highway. Hard to see through the windows. Gorgeous views out there. We would normally stop, take a look. A lot of these views are absolutely gorgeous. Unfortunately, we were kind of rushing to get me to see a doctor. We did stop a couple places up here, as you'll see, because they're just too pretty to pass up. Yeah, please excuse the finger. It's hard to do this one-handed when you're in pain. Alright, so found an urgent care clinic here in Cody. Took x-rays. It appears I fractured the humeral head of my right arm. So they're waiting to hear back from an orthopedist to see what they want to do and when and how. And so I've got a feeling our stay in Cody is going to be extended a little while and the rest of the adventure cut short. We'll have to wait and see. Alright, made it to Cody, to our hotel. Irma Hotel. We're staying in the Buffalo Bill room. Suite. And it is a sweet looking suite. Apparently the one Buffalo Bill used himself when he was here. Nice big huge bathroom. Sitting area. Put in an AC for us. Nice couch. Desk. Oh no, we do have a fridge. Coffee maker. It is gorgeous. Too bad I'm in too much pain to really enjoy it. Alright, we checked in our room and just right outside Cody Irma Hotel. Gonna have a gunfighter show. You can see most of it from our window, but the awning there looked like it was going to block off half the action. So we came downstairs to try and get it all firsthand. This is the Irma Hotel. And our room is one of those windows right up there. You can see half blocked off, so that's why I didn't think we'd get a real good view of the show.
Who's ready for a gunfight? Come on, you go back to jail. I got bailed out. Oh, you got bailed out. Any boys lose the safe. You just supposed to do payroll. Don't know nothing about no payroll. Oh, there was a stack of money in there like that. It was like that. That's ready yourself out. Not real bright, are they? Yeah, we better check them out. Yeah. Ain't got no money, boys. Oh, you got any money on you? All right, get your hands up. Oh, head down. Put your hands down. Y'all asked for it. Wow. When's the last time you had a bath? It's October.
Last year?
This year.
Oh.
Wow, okay, you have been drinking. He needs a bath, but he don't have any money. Oh. I know. I know. I got two options.
Two?
Just two. Kate, you better learning them how to count again?
Yeah.
Well, number one, you just go ahead and drop the gun down the street. We pick them up, put you back in jail. Parker coming in the morning, let him deal with you for it. What kind of lily-livered ninny is going to lay his gun down with? Sundance, what are you doing? Number one. Looks more like a number two. You should probably get up. Don't you know this about to be a gunfight? Swear you lay that down faster than someone can gun for you. Don't be that guy. We don't like option number one. You don't like that? No. Well, I had two of them. Number two, let's shoot the boys down right now. Yep. How many people want number two? Number two! It's unanimous tonight, boys. What's it gonna be? Give the business! What do? Move them down, boys! Watch them. arrest. And you have the right to remain silent. You know what? This one's still grinning. Remember what I told you, ladies? I bet he don't think hanging a woman in Wyoming's funny now, does he?
So we're having dinner here at the Irma Hotel in their prime rib buffet. Cooked perfectly. Still moon. Cindy got some teriyaki salmon, vegetables, barbecue chicken, and some buffalo ribs. Okay, so at the doctor's office, I said I definitely have a broken head of whatever the bone is there in the arm, up in the socket. Sent me to the hospital for a CT scan, and I have an appointment with an orthopedist tomorrow morning here in Cody, and prescription for some pain pills. So Cindy and I went and still enjoyed the Wild West show, allegedly, outside the hotel here. Had some nice dinner. And here later in the evening, listening to the live band playing downstairs through the floor of our otherwise magnificent hotel room. So comfortable. And shame I'm in so much pain. Can't really enjoy it. Oh well, such is life.